So one of the things that you can do with VLC Media Player is go ahead and choose your display device as well. So in order to do that, you need to go around over here onto the tools menu, and then you can go around over here onto preferences, and then go around over here onto video. So over here you can see that right now video is enabled. So in order for the video to play, you need to go ahead and enable it. Apart from that, you can also enable Windows decoration and everything else. So the output method right now is automatic, but you can go ahead and choose different output methods as you want as well. And you can even go ahead and choose the full screen device. So by default, you may only have one monitor, so you may just see one right here. In my case, I have two plugged in, so I can choose display 2, let's say for example, and whenever I go full screen, it'll go full screen on that particular device. Apart from that, you got the de-interlacing option as well, which it detects. So it detects out the video that is interlaced and will de-interlace it automatically if you were to choose automatic. Or you can turn on by default for all videos right here as well. You can also choose the different methods for de-interlacing as well as you want. Apart from that, you can also choose the directory where you want to go ahead and add in your video snapshots to as well as you want right here, just like that, and add in prefix for the snapshot as well, and so forth. And this is how you can go ahead and change around the video settings as you want in VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.